Hello, good evening. Okay. So those people who cannot join me, join our session tonight, don't worry. I have recorded uh, this video, so you can watch this anyway. Once I'm done, we're done. So good evening to all. First things first, my name is Ken Aguilar. Uh, Thank you for following me on Twitter. So, like I said over the weekend and last week ago, that I am going to uh, do some free uh, mentoring session. So, we will be focusing on the short term only. So, when I say short term, we are not talking about long term holding or hodling here. So, disclaimer first, everything I going to discuss in this video, in this live trading session, mentoring session, is pure educational only. So I'm going to share my own trading system that I have set up based on my 3 to 4 years experience. So you might be using your own or using other uh, people or professional traders, analysts, but consider it that my this video is another uh, source of information for you to learn more. So I am not a certified technical analyst nor a professional trader. I just have what I call or what we call first-hand experience. So I've been studying a lot during my free time. Uh, I create my own trade plans and I do my own TAs. So basically, everything I am going to discuss in this video is my own setup only. So just I do my best to run this video uh, under 30 minutes or more than 30 minutes only. So it seems no one have joined tonight, but if anyone wants to have some questions, I will do my best to answer. So English is not my native tongue. Excuse me. So pardon for wrong grammars, but let's just continue. So here's my Twitter. Thank you for following me, and I have also a small YouTube channel. So I am not up there here that you will subscribe into my channel, but my aim is to help those people, those new people, especially wants to learn, those want to learn how to trade in the short term. So when I try to say short term, we will not focus on holding coins. We try to capitalize on the volatility on the volatile market. Remember, we are dealing with the cryptocurrency markets, one of the riskiest, maybe in fact the riskiest asset class of the world compared to the other trading instruments like the forex markets, the commodities, the the indices, and the others. Uh, Crypto offers the riskiest but also high risk and high reward. So when based on my experience, we will play as much as possible the best risk to reward setup, which I'm going to discuss in this video. But uh, tonight I am going to do a simple mentality session. So I cannot go into the details of the trades, but we just need to understand the basics first. So I also have a small website, blog, but I have not updated this anymore. So the last post I have made from this website is last September 11. So I have stopped, and also I have a small personal blog which I write a lot of articles, feature, and more right now more on technical analysis. So here's my uh, here's my profession. I am working to a certain um, Australian brokerage firm. So I work uh, online since 2011, and I manage a small hedge fund, and I'm entering 3 to 4 year or third year in trading right now. So so trading, as you may find on my contents, are my passion. Not only that I like to trade to make some profits, but yes, we all know that trading is built for us to make some money. So but of course it is like a trading business, or sorry, rather business. So we need some capital. We will perform a certain type of trade, like spot trading, leverage trades, marginal trades, big position trades, swing trades, or and many more. So right now I am only focusing on this spot because I cannot afford the leverage part. Very very risky. So I rather stick to the safer method. So in the screen right now, you can also see my Penlogics. This is a great social trading platform which I have created a lot of analysis already. So I have 30 so far. So the last, I am also doing some indices like the OS 200, the Nikkei, and the NP 500. So these are equities indices. So I have made also some forex trades long ago. So whew, so you can see that I my prediction on the US GPY, or the yen, the US dollar against the yen, have tested the 5 year, and it was really um, the said forex pair is, you know created a bullish momentum right now. So also I have created some commodities like gold, silver, and oil, and I have speculated since November last year that I foreseen the price of the crude oil to be 3 digit. So it managed somehow. So you can see that my accuracy in analyzing the the markets is very, precise. So that is the reason that we need to study more, and we need to really be focusing. We must uh, treating it like business. Trading is like a business. Yes, yes, we must need to treat trading like a business. Like I said in the first part of our video in the session, when I say short-term trading, we are not long-term holding. So I am not focusing on the long-term trades here, just the volatile setup. So I created a lot of. It is very important for me to have a lot of windows in trading charts. So other, you may find in the over the internet or in the YouTube channel by other professional traders that they have a lot of screen they can build. But for me, I cannot afford right now. So I'm just using one PC. So I'm going to uh, just just maximize my resources. So I'm using a lot of exchanges right now. So heavily I'm using Binance, but I also have alternative like OKX, BitTrue, Bybit, uh, uphold, um, storm gain, and for the domestic exchanges I'm using here in the Philippines, I'm using PDAX, Coins Pro, and Coins PH. So you can really tell that I am very serious in doing trading. So this so I enjoy it. Uh, it's part of my daily life while I work and with my family. So so I need to set up everything first in place. So I create a lot of charts, you can see. So once I decided to make some trade, for right now I want to, you know that I am holding, if you followed me closely in my Twitter, I've been holding XRP as well as trading. I love to trade short term XRP and of course long term hold. So other than that, I also have other set of charts here because I need to find confluences. Confluence means uh, confirmation or invalidations. Because remember, this is crypto. We are not dealing with forex, which has stabler market structure. They have high cap compared to crypto, which is very volatile. Yes, very volatile. The price swings at lows and highs are very nasty. So yes, that is self-explanatory. So also I check news. I really focusing myself only with my system. Although a lot of free resources we can get from other uh, well-known Twitter personalities like the Crypto Whale, the and others like 360 Trader, very professional. But I just stick with my system. This remember, this is my own system that I am going to discuss so that you can learn from this. Okay, so news. I also check the market cap, the rankings of the crypto from the top 10. So I tell you that the high rank, the top rank cryptos have better spreads and volatility and volumes, especially volumes. It the when we do some trade plans in the high cap cryptos compared to the lower, it is easier and faster to trade in the high cap crypto currency ranks compared to the alts, to the low alts cap. Also, I have noticed that those low market cap cryptocurrencies, though the TAs we can make to them, based on my experience, is useless because the those low cap alts, I am sharing this free knowledge to you guys. They can easily be manipulated because the spreads there are very little compared to the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest, XRP, BNB, Terra, Cardano, Solana, Avala. Within the, at least the top 20 are stabler compared to them. So I just check so that I can see who are trending and who are in downtrend. So it's very important to identify the market trend. So I also, for XRP, I also regularly check the taco stand of Jed McCaleb, the East Cross development. I also check the shorts, the leverage of XRP in the 24-hour time frame. I need to locate who have the which directions, like the longs or the shorts, are overwhelming right now or in majority. Because although we do spot trade, I do spot trade, over leverage can cause a squeeze in the market. Squeezing can happen. So when there are a lot of longs or over leverage in longs, so there are tendency, a high chance that it will be squeezed, so the price will go down. So in the, like the case for the shorts, when a lot of shorts, it means a lot is betting that price will go down. So when they are squeezed, the price will go up. So that is the meaning. So it is also for me very important to check the leverage part. So I also check the funding rates for XRP that I want to trade as an example. So different exchanges have different funding rates. So right now it's negative rates. So it is good to see. Once we see negative, it means it is good to make a long position. But remember, dealing with leverage trades is very dangerous. So a lot of people, the problem of newcomers in trading, they just trade out of emotions. So actually my topic tonight is about good evening to those joined right now. Good evening. So my topic actually right now tonight is mentality. So I want to of course show my charts. So I want to show my charts of course, so that you will see that I am really serious with trading. So wait, okay. So I think I need to close this one. So before I proceed, remember this is just a 30 minutes. So when I do trade in XRP, I must keep viewing the Wyckoff cycle. So trading is short term is I use a lot of methods. I check the candle structure. I check the indicators. I check the volumes. I check um, the direction, the Elliott waves market structure. Although they are very complex when someone totally new, you're just new, you're just new to these things, but you are not noob. So my job here is to guide you. Okay, so I want to explain this a simple chart. This is the chart actually, guys. This is the chart. So this picture here, this represent the trading itself. So the upper part, guys, it is called seller's territory or the supply. So the bottom part here, guys, is the buyers or the demand. So in trading, guys, there will always be price always changes because buyers will sell. Sellers will sell, buyers will buy. So it's like a tug of war game. You know what is tug of war? Those two sides from right and left. Then they will have a team. The other side also have a team. So they will pull each other. So those stronger force, those team that have stronger force, so they will give effect on the market. So meaning when the price when the sellers are too much, when there are a lot of sellers, so they will put push the price downward. So the buyers seems to be not in control. So vice versa, when a lot of buyers, guys, the price will go up. We will see green candles. So I am using I am using just basic Japanese candle, guys. I am not using the advanced type like Heiken Ashi, the Kagi, the point. So I'm just using simple Japanese candle structure. So let me continue. So when I say that okay, please turn off the okay, pardon for that noise. Okay, so some of our some join tonight have kids running around, so just don't mind them. Okay, let me continue, guys. This is the chart. Okay, this is the chart, guys. Like I said, there are a lot of buyers. Okay, let me mute. So when there are a lot of buyers, guys, the price will go up. This is part of my mentoring, guys, part of my lecture tonight. So the price will go up. So sellers, their sell orders, I want you to see this chart here. This is the like spread, like I said here is spread. In the middle line there is called spread. Spread is the last price that the stock or the coin traded at. So exchanges like Binance, like OKX, like Bitro, they are the referees. So I'm using some analogy here. So they are the referees, guys. Uh, so they facilitate the trading. So trading itself is war. I'm not going to discuss this in a complex manner, but just a simple overview. So this is the chart that, like I said, when the buyers are very very strong, a lot of buyers, so the demand will increase. So the sell orders or ask orders will be filled. So like we can see blue or green candles going up. So also in the contrary, when there are a lot of sellers, so the price will go down. So they will control the price movement. Okay, that's it, guys. So tonight, to finish this session, I want you to understand that trading is not just a game. It is not an ordinary game. So my advice to those newcomers is to do demo trades. Okay? Do demo trades. Study first, observe first. Do not play with your real money first, because trading you can lose money here, especially those new people that will enter. So, like I said, I want to. I think I am done with the uh, introducing the setup of my system. So tonight, my main point is mentality. Okay, so let me go now to my main chart. So mentality is, a lot of people will trade emotionally. They will trade because the price went up. Oh, the price went up. Why I didn't buy? So they will be prostrate. Excuse me. They will be frustrated because they didn't buy. So that is impulsive trading. It's like random buying out of emotions. That is very very dangerous based on my uh, experience. So for me, I have learned a lot during my 3 to 4 years experience. I lost a lot of money before. I suffered depression. So it's really not a good thing when we lose money, because money is we need, it's very valuable. We need it to survive as long as we live. Yes, it's true. We need money to buy commodities, needs, and of course wants. Yes. So that is why uh, I'm very eager to keep warning, to keep teaching how to trade effectively based on my system that I built. Of course, you can watch other traders who offer free education in YouTube, over YouTube, in Google. You can search, but this video also will help. Yes, but this will try to help. So right now, this is what I see. So right now, after I have learned the wake up in the long term, guys, wake up is good in its wake up is like this. So there will be accumulation stage, then the spring, the first major breakout like this, like here. So after that, sideways, consolidating. Then remember, I mean, this is our wake off cycle, long term chart. This is long term play of XRP. I carefully recorded the things. So this might not be updated because the price in this image is currently 0.82, but the price right now of XRP is 0.76. So you can really tell that the price is very very volatile. So I carefully this really helps me, because price actions, they are called fractals. They tend to occur over and over again. It's like history can repeat itself, but in a different or higher structure or lower structure or degree. I want to use degree. So this is the spring, and after that, the marking up. Yes, the marking up and the top of the cycle. So one, accumulation. Two, the the spring move, the sudden, it's like the breakout of this first accumulation stage. So it is not yet the major breakout. It is called a spring because I have learned in Wyckoff cycle, we can use this in short term time frame, daily, 4 hour, hourly. But for me, I'm using Wyckoff only in the long monthly chart, long term. So after the, let me continue, after the marking up, spring, then price will try to consolidate, but in a shorter span of time compared to the previous one. And of course, volumes is very very important, guys. We can check what that this is, volumes represent market activity, trading activity. So okay, so market activity, it represents the market cap of XRP as an example for this session. So after that, the spring will have a marking up move like this. Okay, and will hit top. After the top, there is called the distribution part. Okay, the price will go down, sellers will prevail, and after that, so it will continue for many months like what we can see in XRP here. Then another stage of accumulation like what happened from 2012 to 2017. So like during these years, 2018 up to 2021, XRP perform a second stage of accumulation. So in sideways, and remember, this is a long-term chart. This moves very very slow. So after that, we have a spring move like what happened here. So you can see that the rule of Wyckoff cycle is this: under normal or developing market, because remember XRP, the company that is behind XRP cryptocurrency is the Ripple. So the Ripple itself represents, will help. That is why they are facing the loose out right now. So under a healthy Wyckoff cycle of a good coin, stock, forex, it will have a higher low. It's like going upward in that direction. So that is what happened right now. So last year we have witnessed XRP managed to almost hit the $2 psychological level. When I say psychological level, that was the next multi-year high. This is the all-time high. So but before it happened, it went into an accumulation stage like what happened during this year. So then spring move like this. Then like I said, shorter time frame. Although I'm talking about monthly chart, this is still shorter compared to the accumulation, because spring move, it gives us idea that that a certain coin, once it have a spring move, it will break higher. So yes, presto, it broke out higher. So next part of that is distribution like what happened here. I'm not trying that similar pattern will occur, but just similar structure or procedure or cycle or process, but not actual like what happened here. Same degree of dip and pump, dump, but the pump here is slightly shorter or lower compared here, and the distribution or the correction during the first all-time high of XRP, the only all-time high is the correction is very deep compared to the dip of the correction of last year. $2, almost $2 multi-year high is shorter compared to this. So that is the meaning of what I trying to explain, the Wyckoff very very good analysis in the long-term part. So right now we are in the fourth accumulation stage already. Correct? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, this is reaccumulation stage. Accumulation, marking spring, marking up, top, and then the reaccumulation. So right now, XRP is now in the accumulation. This is the reaccumulation after the spring. After the spring move, there's called reaccumulation, then marking up, then top, then again distribution correction, then accumulation again. So XRP will try to, you know, um, perform another stage of accumulation. Then after that, we will we will have spring move, then reaccumulation, then marking up top, then so the future of XRP in the long term is very awesome. Very very awesome in the long term part. But like I said in the video, at the start of the video, I am not interested on the long term part when I want to do short term trade. So I'm using time frames like 5 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour. Although the chart shows here that I'm using 30 minutes and 1 hour, but when I do scalping, I love to use 5 minutes only chart scalping. Very very quick trade, small profits that can also lead to losses. But just be careful. Scalping is quick trades. So once I decide to do scalping, I use 5 minutes. 5 minutes. But when I try to do the normal trading, conventional trade, so I just use stick to the 4 hour. Okay. So I use a lot of charts here. So you may find that I'm very very uh, confusing. Sorry, don't worry. We will continue the sessions. So this is what I'm trying to say. When I want to trade, I need, for XRP as an example, I need to check first the Bitcoin structure. So part of my system is I always check what is going on with Bitcoin. So I create the trend lines, I put the indicators that I want. So I check a lot of charts to find confluences. So like I said, wake up is good in long term, but on the short term part, I rely on the Elliott waves theory. Elliott waves theory is a very complex and requires a high skill of trading level. So it requires a lot of patience. You need to experience first, or you can learn from paid courses. So just like me, I cannot afford high high level trades by the um, those people or professional groups that offer expensive um, trading courses. So what I did is I self study. After I have lost a lot before in my failed trades because I was an impulsive buyer. I thought I just buy now, the price will go up. So I didn't know. So I was just uh, being newbie. Sorry, not noob. Being totally newbie. I jump in. I didn't do demo trades first. I played with my money. I risked my money. I lost my money. So that is what I'm trying to say. So right now, after I was able to conquer my depression and I had some ugly moments. So what I did is I didn't quit trading, because if I quit, I will not be around talking to you, standing right now, sitting right now in doing this video. So so I just keep on studying, observing, and there are a lot of people that I have made friends with. They teach me. They are professional forex traders, stock traders, crypto traders that have more experience than me. I have someone I know. They have 35 years market experience. They have the other guy have 25. The other is 10 years. So they are like mentors for me. So they teach me, and what I'm doing right now, I also teach to you. Okay. So right now, I am very grateful to the Lord that He gave me wisdom in doing these things, and I have also great mentors teaching me. So trading is very very dangerous. So right now, to end this video, I'm trying to to tell you that trading is very very complex, very very hard. Yes, very very hard for a starter to do so. So I know if I need to teach one by one of what is shown here, it requires a lot of time, and maybe one one day is not enough to teach you. So that will be very tiring, confusing. So tonight I just want to share that trading is a mental game. Not all people can handle depression. So when we lose money, what we feel? We feel lonely. We feel depressed. We feel frustrated, angry. So emotions uh will mix in. Okay, so that is what I'm trying to say. Some people think that uh, trading is gambling. Yes, it is a gambling, but a professional type of gambling, because you are trading in the markets. Trading is against each other. Like me, I am a trader. If I buy now, I will buy someone else money stocks. I will trade my money to their stocks. They will get my money, I will get their stocks. So they will if I buy right now, if I buy the current price right now, I cannot really tell if the price will go up. I cannot predict, but I can speculate. Okay? Speculate is prediction also, but not not 100% correct. So it doesn't matter if we are wrong or right. We just at least we have knowledge, we have edge, we have uh, we have advantage compared we just buy now randomly out of emotions because we see some tweet of Elon Musk, like what happened in Dogecoin. So it's hype. It's, so those greedy ones, those greedy people will be punished because they thought that they will get rich. Although trading can reach, yes, depending on your capital. If you do leverage trades, yes, you can. If you're lucky. So that is what I that that is what I thought long ago. I will buy now. So if I am lucky, I get lucky, I will the price will go up, then I will sell. So a lot of people also make mistake because they just when the price break out, sample for XRP, when the price almost break out the 0.85, they didn't sell because they thought that the price will continue to go up. No, you are wrong. The markets is always right. We are wrong. That is why we need to analyze. People like me who are trying hard a lot in doing technical analysis, our job is to speculate at least. We are not 100% predicting. No one can predict what will happen hours from now, days from now, months from now. We don't have crystal balls. Dili ta managnaay kung sa Bisaya pa diri sa mga lugar. Sorry, I speak in my dialect. Pardon with that. So, what I'm trying to say is we cannot predict but we can speculate. That is why we have indicators. Do you know guys that indicators like Bollinger Bands, Bollinger, they are named after the people who have invented them, like Elliot, Wyckoff, because they spend a lot of their time. Like me, they are crazy like me. People don't understand me why I keep on viewing charts, because this is my passion, this is my hobby, part of my life while I work, while I'm with my family. Okay, so this is the profession that I like. And there's a saying, if you love your job, you don't work a day in your life. Yes, once you love your job, because if you don't love your job, if you don't love what you are doing, you get tired, you get bored, then you find another job again. That's it. That is why a lot of people do not succeed in trading. I'm not saying I'm succeed in trading, but at least now, based on my brutal experience, based on my experience long ago, I can say now confident that at least I have advantages now, edge now compared long ago, because I can read charts. At least I can try to speculate. Okay, remember, long-term holding or investing is different from trading short-term. Because when we say investing, you buy now, you don't fucking care what is going to happen with the prices, if it's going down or up, because you are focusing in more time to come, in long years. Okay, that is long term, but it requires, but but when we do long term hold, we suffer daily because even hours, because the price always changes. We get frustrated, we get impatient. That is why a lot of people, you know, cannot succeed in trading, cannot continue, cannot go on. That is the reality I am talking. No one can tell you uh, more confident, confidently than I am, because I experience it. Even though I am young, I'm turning 33 next week, but the experience I have really helped me. So trading is a reverse type of a very reverse type of university, because exams are given first before the lessons. We learn the hard way here in trading. I'm not I'm not trying to get sympathy, because the market itself has no emotions. Markets have no emotions. They don't care who you are, what is your job, rich, are you rich or poor? They don't care. Are you having problems right now with your family, with your spouse, with your wife, your husband? They don't care. The markets don't care. It is like a robot. That is why we need to be very careful. We need to analyze. We need to be disciplined trader. We need to wait. Like Warren Buffett said, it's like trading or investing is transfer of wealth from the impatient to the patient. Okay, so like me, I've been observing XRP for more than 3 days already. So really can tell that the trend right now is in a corrective wave 2. So I put a question mark. So that is why the charting is very very helpful, because it can give us direction, or for confluences and, you know, trading decisions. So that's it, guys. I hope you have learned. I think my video is past 30 minutes, so no one can ask questions right now. So I only have one. Thank you for joining, uh, boss, who you are, or wherever you are right now. Thank you for joining me. So those have not joined tonight, I will record this video. So be careful. Just continue to study. We will continue this tomorrow, or maybe other day. So thank you for watching. So I hope I have delivered my goal tonight about mentality in trading. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day. God bless all. Thanks.